Did you know your washer has a filter that needs to be cleaned every month? You'll see a little cutout at the base of your washer. Give it a click. Then you're going to see your filter here and a drain line. And whatever you do, don't unscrew the filter before draining the water. Next, you want to unhook this drain line, and you'll see it has a plug in the end of it. Grab yourself a shallow Tupperware container. Pull the plug out of the drain line, and then tip the drain line into your Tupperware container. And allow this to completely drain out before you remove the filter. Completely drain out before you remove the filter. Next, you're going to unscrew the filter and pull it out, and that is really gross. Now you're going to want to run this under some water and clean it off. Now we're going to slide the filter back in and turn it to the right until it's tight. Put the plug back in the end of the drain line and close the access door.